Hello guys, what's going on today? So Milos just come over because he needs his brake pads replaced. So we're going to be doing that. Milos, do we know what we're doing?
Really?
Both of us, we've never done this before. We kind of have a little idea of what we've got to do, but we're just going to kind of give it a go.
I thought you said you know what you're doing.
I mean, I've googled it. Hopefully it'll go well.
Really hopefully.
Well, we're mechanics, aren't we? We can do this.
Yeah.
Should we jack it up and get started?
What on earth are you doing?
This is a bit excessive, but it works.
What on earth are you doing? Hang on. Let me touch at this.
This is how you'd be an engineer.
Huh?
This is how you're an engineer.
Really? Seriously? You can't get my nuts off.
What the fuck, man?
Put your back into it.
I don't want to pull it too hard and break your nuts. It's actually turning your...
You broke nut. Hang on.
Got it, I got it. So we got the wheel off and those bolts were extremely tight. They were way over tightened. So to get to the caliper, all we've got to do, or to get to the pads even, all we've got to do is undo this one bolt here and this whole thing should just like lift out. From what Google says anyway. And then we should simply be able to change the pads over. Oh yeah.
See, Ollie's got a little James May thing going on here. He names them all.
Names what?
He polishes them all, makes sure they're all in, you know.
Well, they've got to be in order. You can't have all tools in a mess. I want to take them all out of there and get little nice like holders for them or stands and put them all in my nice drawers and set it out properly, like what James May would do. Oh my god!
Come say, Ollie. Whoa! Watch my springs.
You're the old as fuck anyway.
Huh?
The old as fuck anyway. You should get some coilovers or something.
I'm gonna get some.
You're gonna get some coilovers?
Yeah, lowering springs and that sort of shit.
With that dollar you might be getting, you should go for bags.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Alright, so that comes out.
I don't want to look like a chav, Ollie.
In theory, that should just pry open now if we get ourselves a flat screwdriver.
That's the new caliper.
Fuck, they look clean. That's because it's new, isn't it? That is brand new. I thought you were getting like a second-hand new one.
No, I've got a brand new one. Now, where are the pads?
These are the pads.
Fuck me, they look really skinny, don't they?
So they got the. Where's the new pad? We've got to examine these because I don't know what I'm doing here.
Hey, John. I should be able to 12. Look on my fucking keys. Well, no, because you said you'll leave it on the front wheel of the pickup truck and park car home the shots. So I came back.
Right, so now you can see the new pads are in. You try to put the caliper over it, you cannot get it on because it's too tight. So we've got to compress these two pistons here so it fits over the new pads properly. We don't have the tool for that, so we're going to try and make it. Oh yeah. Look at that, Milos. Fucking chicken with sweet chili sauce and just protein and shit. How's yours?
Very yummy.
So we managed to get the first disc on. We didn't end up actually making that tool because my dad had an ingenious idea. I didn't know he had some clamps in the back of the garage, and we just put a plate on it and used some clamps, and that just about managed to compress the pistons enough. There you go, it's all on. Yeah, we had to compress the pistons using a couple of these little clamps here. It just about worked. We're going to go and do the other side. So that one side took us quite long, so we're setting ourselves a little challenge. We're going to do this last one, wheel off, pads off, compress the thing and put the pads back on. 20, I think we can do it in 15.
Bollocks, can you?
We're going to say 15 minutes.
If you do it in 15 minutes, I'll buy a Costa.
We're going to try for 15 minutes. I'm going to hold you to that.
Fuck off, I'm not actually buying a Costa.
Okay, 15 minutes. I'm going to set a timer in a minute and then we'll try and do it in 15 minutes.
Ollie, you're already 40 seconds in, come on.
How long did we say again?
15 minutes.
I hate this rock and wheel up, man.
Four minutes, 33 seconds in, boys. Well, these are pretty still good, because they've still got quite a bit, but the other ones, the right were quite bad. They were the ones that were like barely anything left on them, as we saw earlier. So I've got to order both, so I thought we might as well change them both. Minutes 54. Right, this is how sad my friend really is. Ready? He's one of these. So guess what?
My brother got me that for Christmas.
Where like that?
It was a Christmas present. There you go, it's done. Done. It's finished. 14 minutes 50.
Just in time.
Just done it under 15 minutes.
By the skin of your teeth.
What do you owe me? What do you owe me?
Nothing.
Did you not say you owe me a Costa?
Let's test it first.
So yeah, so now we've got to test it. We're going to go out, do a couple of harsh brakes, see what it feels like, because it's going to take a couple of, I don't know how long it's going to take, but it's going to take a while for them to like wear in properly and like get seated properly. So we're going to test it, see if we actually made it work.
Whoa, easy. Pennies makes a pound, right?
Let's take it for a test drive, let's see if the brakes actually work.
If it don't, none of you are going to be dead. About to find out there.
Let's give them a little test, shall we? You gonna test them? Well, they work, don't they? How do they feel compared to normal?
It keeps grinding as a drive.
Yeah, I know. Do they feel better or worse?
Well, I guess they feel a bit better.
So there we go, we fitted these brake pads to Milos's car. On the right, it took a little long because we didn't know what we were doing, but the left one took only 15 minutes, which is not too bad. They're all on, they seem to be working. Are they better than normal or before?
Where am I going?
Keep going right. Do they feel better than before? Or at least as good as?
Yeah, they've seemed alright. Did an alright job. But I've got a little confession to make.
What's that?
I knew how to do them.
You know how to do them? No, you fucking didn't. Well, you just watching me try.
Yeah.
Fucking prick.
Motherfucker.
You're doing mine next time then.
If you want. It would have took me like an hour and a half, maybe 2. To do both.
To be honest, it did take us like, what, 3 hours?
4?
4, yeah, but we got lunch in that time, so 3 hours. That's like fucking way too long to do 2 pairs, but...
Yeah, mate, you need to brush up on your mechanical skills.
But we'll learn how to do them now, so next time we'll be a lot faster.
Drop a window there, a bit more.
Go on in. What does it sound like? That sounds quite nice. That right, to the right.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Why go right?
It's Costa. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you next time.